Iceland is a dreamland located in North Atlantic. It is volcanically and geologically very active. Anywhere from 5 days to 15 days you should spend in Iceland depending on your intention of vacation. Best time to travel Iceland is any time throughout the year. During summer months, daylight is extended up to almost past midnight, so one can really enjoy lots of hours of daylight. Lots of tour companies offer Iceland package tour. One can join that. Iceland also offers individual day trip, 1 day trip or 2 3 days trip to different locations. One can take that. Iceland is a very safe country. People are very helpful and friendly. Most people speak and understand English very well. So, if you do not want to get tied up with a tour company's schedule, you can travel Iceland on your own as well. If traveling on your own, make sure to make reservation for the rental vehicle and night stay in advance. Book the activities that you are interested in doing in advance as well. Especially during summertime, they get sold out much faster. For safe and smoother driving experience, please rent all-wheel drive vehicle. Do not settle for less. A word of caution for car renting. Please follow all driving instructions, restrictions imposed by the car rental company because they are very opportunist people. They will use every excuse to extract money from you while returning the vehicle. to be on safer side, make sure to keep filling up your gas tank with the first opportunity you get when the tank becomes less than half full. As far as accommodations go, there are plenty of hotels, Airbnbs, and hostels available, but in summer months they do get sold out, so please make reservations in advance. Staple diet of Icelanders is seafood, lamb, dairy products, and beer. Reykjavik has all types of restaurants catering to even vegetarians and vegans. Pizza, Subway, Blimpies are also commonly available even in smaller towns. Hours of operation for these stores are not very long, so it is highly recommended to carry with you ready to eat food packets, peanut butter, jelly. Whenever possible, buy fresh milk and bread, fruits, yogurt, and carry with you all the time. During summer months, from mid-June until September, temperatures in Iceland are around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Northern part of Iceland is much cooler than southern part. Wind can pick up at times as well, and it may rain. So please dress in layers to accommodate any of these weather changes. It is easy to get wet while visiting waterfalls due to mist or due to rain, which may happen at any time. So always have waterproof hooded jacket handy, wear a waterproof pant, and ankle high waterproof trekking shoes are a must. Explore Iceland through my camera lens starting next Monday. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, watching, liking, and sharing my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you.